In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Pandora keeps crashing. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of reasons why your Pandora keeps crashing. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can simply go ahead and toggle between the two or restart your router. If that doesn't work, you want to simply go ahead and close the app completely and simply go ahead and open it one more time. If you're on an Android device, you can simply go to the settings, apps, Pandora, storage, and simply go ahead and clear its cache. If your application is not up to date, you can simply go to your App Store or Play Store and simply go ahead and make sure that you update your Pandora to the latest version. You can also try restarting your device and make sure that your device has enough storage space available. If none of it works, simply try uninstalling and reinstalling Pandora or even updating your device OS. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.